ERP isn't just for Fortune 500 giants. I have seen mid-sized manufacturers streamline their entire production flow with Odoo. We help small and mid-sized manufacturers like window and door makers, metal fabricators, and custom equipment shops who need to get real control over production, inventory, and supply chain.
Most of them face same problems.
Orders delayed because components aren't ready. Stock mismatches between stores and factory. No visibility into work in progress. Rework and scrap piling up without proper tracking. Odoo solves this by giving manufacturers real-time visibility. From material planning to purchase orders, from production tracking to quality control, you can handle the full flow inside one system.
Here is a real example.
A mid-sized window and door manufacturer came to us with a simple request: help us track our entire production flow. They stayed on QuickBooks for finance, but we built their manufacturing, inventory, and purchasing on Odoo. The result: every sales order is now linked to production, stockouts scrapped by 60%, and other status is visible at every step, right from raw materials to finished goods delivery.
If your factory is stuck between spreadsheet and production chaos, comment flow below.
I will send you my free checklist on how to get your manufacturing and supply chain
Under your control with Odoo. Thank you.